I lost my husband of 40 years, so I felt that if I wanted to become more strong emotionally, I needed to be strong physically.
I'm here with Diana Van Stone. Diana is 66 and she's been training ForeverStrong for 2.5 years now.
I needed a reason to get up in the morning. I needed structure, something that made me feel better emotionally. The personal trainers have given me so much confidence. They work with me on an individual basis based on what I need, what I'm feeling. Such a blessing for me, just helping keep my confidence up. I enjoy the fact that they work with me individually, and I love the atmosphere. The people are so friendly, it's upbeat, it's not pressure. We work hard, but we have a wonderful time doing it. It's been so wonderful because even outside of ForeverStrong, I've been able to create friendships. I was afraid about lifting weights because I have had a history of sciatica and convinced myself that if I lifted weights, I would continue to hurt myself. I took a leap of faith, I joined, and it has improved my core and my strength to such an extent that I've had no issues with sciatica. The trainers are so focused on making sure that I do the exercises correctly. I don't hurt myself. It's so exhilarating. I feel like I'm accomplishing something I never thought I would be able to accomplish. And it's created strength in, again, my core and my back. And it feels great. I'm not sore. I'm not uncomfortable. It doesn't hurt. It's been such an amazing accomplishment. I think the healing process after losing my husband would have been much more difficult, and I would feel more isolated because I wouldn't feel confident participating in some of the events that I've participated in, and now I can share them with family and friends. It's priceless. I've done a 100-mile bike race. I've done a Tough Mudder, and my biggest commitment was to keep up with my young sons, and I did exactly that, and it was priceless. I didn't want to be the typical old mother. I think they thought it was absolutely phenomenal that I was able to keep up with them and finish the course. It is just an unbelievable experience. It can be life-changing. It makes you feel good. It makes you feel empowered. Give it a try. Do something wonderful for yourself. Keep an open mind. It can only improve your life. And if you feel better, then everything else in life gets better.